Magandang hapon po ng January 27, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 27, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, January 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 27, 2025 Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, January 27, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 27, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.